That kind of day?
Hell yeah.
When's
the last time you had potato sticks? You know what I'm saying?
They look good.
All right, guys. So the Red Z is on Jack's hands, and the title probably says something about it. What do you think, Jack? This is your bean.
This is my stuff right here.
This is your stuff right here. So what do you think?
So are we gonna tell them what you're gonna do to it?
Well, today we're gonna rip it apart.
Okay.
It's been 2.5 years, 3 years since I turned a bolt on this thing.
This is my favorite car that you have.
I know it is. I know it is. So I know you guys love the Red Z. I mean, it's a great car. It's beautiful. It's like the origin of the channel, and a lot of people say the joke that is this channel is about the Red Z and everything else just filler content. I think that's actually hilarious.
Yeah, that's true. That's big facts.
And so we're getting back to the main course, and we're gonna be working on the Red Z. Finally, it deserves it. I need to fall back in love with this car, and I think it's about time.
It's time.
It's time. So, as you guys know, this is a bone stock 5.7 liter aluminum block LS1. Like, stock is all hell, besides these pretty little fuel rails that I bought on eBay. And other than that, it has some bitchin' bootleg tune.
Bitchin' bootleg tune.
And some intake I made in my garage. So,
How much did it make on the bootleg tune? Like 330, 340? What was
way
that?
more than a stock LS1 should have.
I think it was like 347.
Torque.
It was,
I think it was like 335, 340. You guys go back in the video and comment below
Yeah.
how much horsepower this car made.
you let us know.
Being an LS motor, there's one piece of the puzzle that you always have to add. And what is it?
Nitrous.
Okay. Well, keep going. What else is it?
Camshaft. Always.
Camshaft. There you go. That is something I should have did from the very beginning, but I was in college, I was on a budget, and I was just trying to get it done.
It's cam time, baby. Bump stick.
Bump stick. So it is time for a what, Steffi?
Refresh.
Camshaft.
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 So I've been talking with Texas Speed about doing something cool with them, and they are down to work with me to do something pretty badass, and that is not only a camshaft, but we're going to be pulling off the heads and putting some work in them. So we can make some real horse puppies.
That's breathe. I mean, cams and heads and these things are big gains.
Big games.
Big gains.
So it's official. It's time to pull apart the LSD.
Hell yeah, let's tear into it.
These are pretty simple. Now the big goal right now is to just not scratch the shit out of the engine bay, and I'm not taping it up like I did 3 years ago. So
No, we're past that.
yeah, we're past.
Get over it.
Yeah, for real.
You know what I mean? Scratch the shit out of it.
Just leave.
All right,
You know
dog.
what I do? I leave dust on it, and that's a nice little protective barrier.
That's a good way to scratch the shit out of your paint when you touch it. Hey, wash the potato stick.
Just cleaning it up, man.
The first step is the worst step, and that is draining out the coolant. So let's do that. Get the front end off, get it all ready, and start unbolting things.
Jimmy's nemesis, coolant on the ground.
Yeah, Brian, don't step into this time.
It wasn't me.
Time-lapse lo-fi?
Time-lapse lo-fi.
Hell yeah.
Feels kind of good to be working on this thing.
Yeah, right?
Oh, just
Rip it?
ripped it. It's all right. I have an extra set.
You can stay your hand.
Swallow.
Dude, look how empty it's already trying to look so empty.
Trying to empty the radiator.
Man, I took all this.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Jesus. Everything's underneath everything.
Looks good though.
Good
Yeah,
job.
it's pretty hot. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, how old were you when you put this together? Let's talk about that.
When I had extra like time, you know.
You still were working a shit ton.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I didn't have like a time constraint, or you know, I just was able to just
Do it.
do excessive things, and I missed it. You know, like I was able to spend 6 hours on like getting something to line up right. You know, I couldn't do that now. But nothing, you know, go in your garage, 9 o'clock at night, turn your music on, do your thing. It was always the best.
Literally.
Very tight fit. Jimmy was not lying.
Hell yeah.
Ooh.
There we go. Ready? Boom.
Huzzah!
Now it's.
It's happening.
Okay, we gotta remember this order.
That's not gonna happen.
Yeah, right.
We'll put it on.
Oh, it's just gonna stay like that because it's been.
Yeah, right.
That's been running.
Oh my god.
Looks like Texas. Okay. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Not bad.
No, actually, it stayed put.
Yeah. Good job. Just stay right there. That might.
Don't
move. You know, I feel really guilty doing this without RJ.
I know, I was thinking the same thing before.
Should I call him?
Where is he?
I'm gonna call him.
You've reached RJ's voicemail. Please leave a message so I may get back to you.
What a
Thank you.
butthole. Pick up next time, RJ. Got a slight leak going on.
See, it's great that you're redoing
Dude, I think almost all of them are leaking partially. So now let's take the rocker arms off, keep them in order, and start doing the head bolts.
What you doing?
Poking holes.
Hell yeah, right? Yeah. We got a good team going on here. Me and Brian are very efficient when we work together. Screws are coming out, and now we can pull the push rods right out. Nice and easy. It's such old technology, but it works. I see GM though, they're just like, hey, it works, why fix it?
That's why they're still doing it.
That's what I'm saying, but kick ass. We have this little metal tray. Don't mix them up, Jimmy. There we go. Something I would do. And yeah, now we can get to the head bolts. Boom, 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 boom. Get the impact, it's an LS, what the hell?
Doing chopping.
Should probably just get the impact done.
I would 100% get the impact on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, say less.
I was right when you said that, I was thinking, if this kid thinks I'm gonna sit here and hold this header for all these bolts, he's on drugs.
It's nothing. Oh, here we go. Oh, I
Gotta
love
keep your
this.
paint safe.
Look who's here!
Somebody called for an OG.
RJ2!
Mr. Owl's here. I don't know what the fuck I'm here for, but.
Services are needed.
For what? I have no fucking idea. Brian looks like he could take care of it all. You needed a GM tech. I made this. I made sure to make this like exactly how it used to be.
You don't have to worry about those bolts, Brian.
I was trying to make it just like old times.
That's it.
I forgot the clip though.
That's good. It's probably a good thing.
Yeah, Cat. When was your last desk pop?
What did you just do there? You a desk pop?
You never done a desk pop
When was
before?
your last desk
No,
pop?
I've never done one.
That is one of my favorite movies ever.
So this is where things get sketchy because this is where
Oh, a little B-hole finesse action?
Yeah.
I'll break these things.
okay. Oh, that was it. That was the move.
Ha!
That like vibrated.
That's cut.
my head.
There goes all the coolant. It's
Oh
all
my
right.
god!
Oh.
Oh, please stop!
You didn't drain the block?
Please,
There's a port on the block.
Oh, is there really?
Like this was my
Who would've thought?
burger of a Cuban.
All right, ready?
Every engine manufacturer ever would have thought.
Yay!
Oh my god.
So film him. He's got the.
Is it a boy or a girl?
How's she looking? Ooh, freshies.
She looks good.
Not bad.
Looks like
The motor better be brand new. You never drive it.
Hey,
Oh my
don't
God,
go swimming in
no.
there. You know you get hives.
That's only G12.
That looks so gross. It's a lot of finger action.
You
He
jealous?
looks like a cat fishing.
You're gonna have to take a shower when you get home.
You ever see a cat in a fish tank? That's
Yeah.
what Jimmy looks like right now. Take this tiny little broken hammer and whack off an LS cylinder in.
Have you ever thought how many times you'd have to hit a human to kill him with a hammer that size?
Once.
7.
Once?
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
an
accurate.
apple?
Yeah, easily.
Alright.
RJ, come here.
My shop.
I haven't seen this car as like a possible like project. You know what I mean?
This might reignite.
And it makes it feel like a car again by like working on it like this. You know what I mean?
Well, it's always been a car, so that makes sense.
Okay, shut up. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'm very so weird with this car. Okay, you guys know that.
I do.
Weird with it. It just sits.
Hey,
Yeah, that's the
the
weird part.
beauty of it.
Cars aren't meant to be looked at. They're meant to be driven.
That's I would say that's subjective.
That's a big word, Brian. I don't know what it means.
Look at that rig you got right there.
I'm impressed that this is all fitting.
I can't believe.
I was
how much
expecting
carbon
one
there
bolt.
is in a car that doesn't get driven.
I was expecting one bolt to be like
This is very serviceable.
last bolt.
One good.
I love this extension. I can just get the chill. Just, hell yeah.
Shout out to whoever sent us this.
Were you supposed to write your name on it? I forgot.
No, we didn't start doing that until after.
What?
We now write the names on all the subscribers who send us things. So when we use them, we're like, yo, Nikolai sent us this wash mitt, even though I spelled his name wrong. And I know. All right?
Nikolai.
I read the comments, and I know I spelled it wrong. I'm sorry.
Yep. Come on.
That's it.
Oh, Jimmy, you doing?
Oh, your water broke.
He doesn't care
It's
anymore.
coming. Oh
He's
my
a squirter.
god! It's just
All right, RJ.
boring.
Hold the head over.
I can try.
That's all you need.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Watch your spark plug.
Just fucking stuck.
The dowel on this side.
Nice support.
All right, I'm stuck.
Jesus Christ.
There you go. Ooh, what? What was that?
Darker on this side.
Yeah, the expert over here.
Quit talking shit.
Cylinder 1. Looking suspect.
Yeah, I'll tell my tuner.
Oh shit.
Serious
Figuring out what
deja
I'm
vu.
looking at his face.
Sheesh, this was a whole ass car an hour ago.
Oh fuck.
I thought you said it didn't feel like a car before.
They do this shit at the track.
I know.
Run head gaskets at the track.
Okay.
It sucks.
It sucks, yeah. Dude, it's weird, okay? I don't know. Give them a tour step. Show them the emptiness. Now it's really shaved. Shave the heads. We're getting real with it.
Nothing.
Get rid of this camber. Get rid of these spacers.
The
put
bottom
some
end does
slicks
look
on
really
this
nice
shit.
though.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
Price just went down. This thing's
So-
got no compression right now.
This engine was so iffy. So when I bought this engine, it was like the peak of LS1s. Like they were like $3,500. Like that's a lot of money for an LS1.
Yeah.
And now they're like what, $1,400?
Yeah.
And this was like, I found the cheapest one I could find on eBay. And I was just like, okay. I even messaged him, I was like, okay, you're selling this really cheap. What's the deal? And he was just like, yeah, I want to whim. So I was expecting to get this thing and it was going to be fucking blown up. Comes to find out, it's a pretty decent engine.
Yeah, it had 81,000 miles on it.
Hell yeah. The chick hit a deer and then ended up in
Ran the
here.
Carfax on
Yeah.
that shit.
Big
I drove
guy.
down here.
Happy you're here, RJ.
I'm happy that you're so cute.
We're all happy about that.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. You're good friends.
Yeah, because if you were ugly, we wouldn't be friends.
That's true. I tell my girl that all the time. If she gains enough weight, I'm out. I mean, that's just being real. Anybody that tells you otherwise, they are the fake ones, not me.
I can't.
Gotta draw the line somewhere.
You gotta draw the line somewhere.
He draws it at 180.
You draw it at the scale, on the scale. Here comes more corn. Let it rain, B.
That was it.
It's all out.
Oh, you spoke too.
Keep going.
He tilts it forward, tilt it back, B.
It's gotta come
Now
out
it
at
looks
some time.
empty.
These are brand new.
Yeah, reuse those.
Oh, this is gonna take so long to clean the block. Oh my god. We should frame this and give this to a Patreon.
You should.
Put a picture of all our faces. This is the picture frame? Yeah, that's hilarious. Yeah. Oh my god. I wasn't expecting this today.
Oh, by the way, Jimmy totally hinted to this the other day, and nobody said anything in the comments. He pointed the camera at it and everything. You guys didn't figure it out. I'm surprised that they didn't. I think they just never expected it ever.
They were just like, no way, he's touching that fucking car. Yeah, I don't blame you.
I'm surprised you guys didn't catch the hint, though. I mean, you're usually pretty quick on the draw.
I think this was the boy who cried wolf on this one.
Just the boy who cried.
Yeah, just the boy who cried.
This thing's about to be rowdy.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a lot of exhaust now.
I like this exhaust though. It's so clean. It's just.
We can get a new axle back. How about that?
I've done that.
We'll do a lot of axle.
What do you have on here?
Like 2 resonators and 2 mufflers.
No. Well, isn't it a brand?
Actually, I did.
Oh, it's like a Megan Racing exhaust for TT. Yeah.
That's not bad. Bomb down there and back. And
Not
no, it was January.
bad. All right, so we got the heads off. Everything's off. We still obviously got to pull the cam out of it, and I also have to do the oil pump, and I'm dreading that so much. But it's whatever. So they told me the lead time on the head should be about a week to a week and a half, which is sick. So we'll get these sent out tomorrow, and hopefully in the next week and a half, 2 weeks, we'll have this thing back on the road, which is pretty crazy. So give me a hold. Oh, what? Yeah, RJ?
Question.
Yes.
Well, what if while we're doing this, we just took that out and made everybody really mad and just put it in there?
No.
No, RJ. No.
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 No?
No. God, no.
So it's a definite no.
There's plenty.
No, anyone can do that. You can buy that.
There's actually a blue one for
We're not
sale
doing
in
that.
Mass.
All right.
Just like that.
Just asking for a friend.
Tell your friend to go.
Tell your friend to go fuck off. But yeah, this is sick. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are too. So, yeah, I got a lot of cleaning up to do, and
So I think the oil pump thing, Jimmy's going crazy because he's not dropping the pan, and I guess on LS's there's a way to change the oil pump without taking the pan off. So we're gonna take this adventure together.
oh yeah.
Yeah, you ever heard of the video game Portal? That's how it works.
What year did that come out, RJ?
2007?
That was a long time ago.
I'm not really sure.
We need to move on.
Come on, RJ. With that, we're gonna end the video.
Back to the plot.
As you guys know, join the Patreon. Stay tuned for some
You
new
gotta put
merch.
the link
coming
in
from
the
us.
description.
Post nudes on there in his private Snapchat.
Yeah.
Hey.
Stay tuned for some upcoming merch, which is pretty exciting. I know the website's been down, but
Spring drop, swipe up.
it'll be out again very soon. So we're not sleeping, don't worry. But you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe,
Stay tuned for more content.
and have a great night.
We'll see you tomorrow.